So even though this isn't a formal video of ours, just want to give a little update on the rec pond progress. Our grass is still alive, so that's good. This is the water retention area, water harvesting. It'll be the only place that goes up and down in water. It's a never-ending hole. Apparently, we call it to us, and it'll collect the water and work as a clean off for leaves and whatnot, and go on the patio around this area, and we'll be able to sweep the leaves off and clean it that way. Anyway, we're still working on the depth of this. It'll be 7 by 9 by 3 feet. It seems like it always gets shallower for some reason. I don't know why, but that's getting close. Go on to the pond. That hasn't gone anywhere much at all. We had a couple of big rainstorms, Silton area, so got to pull out some extra stuff. So again, it's about 20 by 30. Kind of doing some build up with these dirt right here. Checked all the levels. We're level around the side. We got about 6 inches to 8 inches. All in the back where that water level will be back here, but we're about perfect up here, so that's why we're building up over here on our side. So we're putting some dirt in here. Got our stream kind of lined out. Sorry about the video, guys. It's not very good for seeing depth, but you have water coming here, going there. You'll have a little water. You'll have a little rock bridge probably right here. Go over there, and then we got a little step here for a fall in here, and then we'll have one more fall here. This is a thing you guys haven't seen, but this is all the stream area we've over excavated, and we'll put in our boulders and let them build the stream for us. That'll be our little weir. What you guys haven't seen totally is the work we've done over here, kids and friends and Jane and me. We got our wall in for this guy right here. This would be the cleaning masterpiece. So it's not pretty right now. We'll make it pretty at some point in time. Probably sculpt some boulders and stuff. We'll bring you in for that process. You got your water in right here that comes from that rain retention. This is a bog area. It's going to get pumped down in here, full of water here, slow down the water flow. All your sediment's going to sit in this area in these aqua blocks, or fancy milk crates if you would. I got a little trench right here. Liner will sit in, and when we pump it out yearly, that'll be the only clean out that we do to this pond, because all your sediments will sit in here and settle to the bottom because the water movement's so slow. You have a little clean out area right there, so we're going to build up like a little shaft right there. We'll drop a pump down in there, suck out all the debris, water all the trees, orchard area over there, get that going. But that's the basics. But the well is solid, level set on that, got all that going. Just got to do some cleanup on that. Got it all filled in. It's solid concrete now. Video coming on this dude soon. Got a lot of work into that. That used to just be a tree stump, so got a video on the making of that. I don't have a lot of the carving stuff, but we've put the concrete. We're going to start doing the stain and whatnot, bring it to life, make it look like a real rock, right? But that's about it. It's coming along, and we'll release videos as we possibly can. And got our little downgrade. We only got about maybe a foot and 3 inches down to the level area to go into the pond. But it'll be enough. It'll look real natural. It's not big falls or anything. We'll have a nice little stream and waterfalls coming down with 1, 2, 3, 4 falls possibly, and then this area will be level, and then we'll have stones tightly packed in here to go over with our little wagon and go across here, and then of course then come through this area and around our gardens as well to get over to here. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks guys, appreciate you coming, and hope to see more progress, and we'll get you those videos out as soon as they come. Thank you.